Right next to me, guys, is one of the cheapest RS cars in the UK right now. And it's bloody stunning. And for some reason, I've got the keys to one. Right now, I'm currently stood next to an almost 400 brake horsepower SUV, mate. This could pick your dog up. This could pick your kids up from nursery. This could do off-roading. You could have backseat twister in this whilst on a mountain, mate. And for today's video, we're taking it out and seeing what it's all about. And enough faffing around, here is actually the car we're driving today. Boom! So this right here is an Audi RSQ3. It's a Q3, the normal little diesels, mate. They look pretty nice. And pretty much what Audi did is they got the 5-cylinder engine, dropped the engine out of the Q3, right? Slapped the bloody engine in this car and was like, fuck it. And you got this bad boy right here. And not to mention, guys, you could actually win this car for free from Planet of Dreams, but I'll go into that later on in the video after we've had our fun. This is the RS3 on bulking season, fam. He's had a few McDonald's, a few Burger Kings, he's cheated on a few days, added an extra 50 kg, got a bit of a beer belly, but you know, he's still got the nice personality traits, he's still got the RS brakes, the fat engine. He's just carrying extra luggage right now, basically. So pretty much when you end up getting a wife and kids, and you want something sensible, but fun, this right here is your car, mate. Whoa. Wow, this car is absolutely stunning, guys. Ooh. Literally looks like the bottoms of your missus' shoes, mate. Le Bouton. It's got these absolutely lovely, silky diamond cut alloys. And look at those brakes. Oh my flipping God. I don't even want to know how much they cost to replace. It's in this incredible, it's almost like my BMW. It's like a Melbourne red. Audi fans would absolutely butcher me if I said that, but it's a red, mate. I don't care, it's just red. Now, I think the most important thing is, if we pop this bonnet, let's see what the underneath of this hood looks like, mate. Woo, Jesus. I'm genuinely excited to see what these Audis are about. I've never hopped in an RS car before, so this is gonna be incredibly exciting to me. Woo! I think that honestly my favorite part about this car is the 5-door as well. You know how ridiculous it is? Every single car I've ever owned has been a 2-door. So it is absolutely lovely to be sat in the back, right? And I can just hop in without moving my chair forward. Bro, this is just rich kid problems, right? Even the flipping kids, mate, even the toddlers eating ice cream with their flipping fingers. They've even got carbon fibre in the back. That is just first world problems. Got ice cream on my carbon fibre door card. Now I have to pay £300 to get a replacement. The flipping speakers light up. The speakers light up. The cup holders are lighting up. Is the back lighting up? Oh my God, they've got footwell lights in the back. Did not like Audis before this, the interior of Audis. But it has got carbon fibre on the door cards, on the gear selector, on the thing. Oh!
And it's really nice. It looks really good.
Nah, yeah, it is pretty stunning here. Got the paddle shifters, you get me, mush. I might have to whip out the extended elbows for this video. I'm just so excited about these cars. I've never been in a car like this. So let's roll the back windows down. That's a flex and a half. But I've been rambling long enough. Let's actually start this car and head out for a little spin. Before this car gets given away to one of you lot. Come on, it's only right. Why do you get to win a free car and I don't even get to have a bit of fun in it? So just quickly before we take the RSQ3 out, I want to say a massive thank you to the sponsor of today's video. Roll it. Now, have you ever had a problem with your engine or just fancied a bit of customization to your car? Well, hop in the passenger seat. I've got the perfect tool for you. Now this right here is CARISTA Evo. This device will allow you to do so many different things to your vehicle. Once we've actually plugged it into the OBD port and connected our phone to it, this is where all the fun starts. Now with certain makes and models of cars, such as my BMW, you've got all of these different options to mess around with. Under chassis and engine, we can actually allow auto stop start to remember its last state, which is a must to click yes to. No more faffing around with the auto stop start button. We can mess around with the coming home and leaving home lights, and we've got all of these different options to mess around with. Something that I really like is I've actually turned on puddle lights when I actually go into reverse for that extra little bit of light to not curb my wheels. That's why my wheels are looking fresh. Now, if your car has that dreaded check engine light on the dash, CARISTA Evo will actually tell you exactly what the problem is, so you don't have to go to a mechanic and pay them to diagnose it for you. So CARISTA's saving you money. There's no need to look under the hood. Also, we can perform DIY service procedures onto the car, such as fuel system priming, emissions test, and so many more options. It's unreal. And last but definitely not least, you can actually read live data from the car to make sure it is running in tip-top shape. CARISTA is constantly updating and improving, and even recently adding live data and diagnostics for Ford vehicles and customization for 2020 VW Group cars. So if you guys are at all interested in picking up a CARISTA Evo device, click the link in the description to check if your car is compatible today, and use my discount code Michael25 to purchase this device on Amazon. Without further ado, let's get back to the RSQ3. This car, mate, is a savage. Whee, oi. Nah, this is lit. My God, this is mad being sat so high. Wow, I'm literally level with that SUV. I've never driven an SUV before, and bro, this is quite cool because you guys are seeing my genuine reaction to being in cars like this. I'm not used to cars like this, so it's mad. Bro, look at that Ford! It looks tiny. Let me go up right next to it. My God, I'm looking down on it. I'm looking down on the Ford Fiesta. I think I'm more impressed about driving it. Why is everyone so small, mate? It looks like a different world up here. Now, before I have some fun in the RSQ3, pretty much a little bit of backstory behind this car. Pretty much, Calvin actually bought this car. I think it was on an online auction site. And pretty much he bought this car for £11,200, I think it was. It was actually classified as like a 4 out of 5, which is actually quite bad on the bodywork.
Grade 1 is the best, grade 5 is the worst. So being a grade 4, you'd think it's going to be quite bad because he's got a few marks on the wheels there. Do you know what? It ain't too bad though. Did you notice, you've done all the shots on it, didn't you? Yeah. Did you notice any horrible marks on it?
The wheels.
Just the wheels.
I think it had an engine light, but Calvin actually sorted all of that out just like he does with all the cars at Planet of Dreams. He got the wheels refurbed, it looks like. He actually changed the silver on the car to all black. So it's got a black pack. Everything on the car that was silver has gone black, and I'm trying to be so careful with this car, which looks absolutely 10 out of 10 to Calvin. I'm so sorry, but the silver was like an old man's color. Gloss black with red, bro, it's a nice modern look, you know what I mean? So pretty much this is actually one of the cheapest, and I think it's the cheapest Audi RSQ3s out there right now. I think the cheapest I found was 13. He bought this for 11.2, so literally genuinely the cheapest RSQ3 out there, which is a bonkers to think. Your mum is out there driving a Citroen C3, mate.
Brother,
But for the same price, she could have bought a fucking petrol guzzling machine. Right, so we're now in dynamic mode. Woohoo! Blood clot! This is the perfect weather for this car. All-wheel drive, quattro system. Something like my BMW, it would not put the power down, but this, on the other hand, yeah. Oh my God, that is mental. In an SUV, it just feels so much more weird. It's like, basically, put 400 brake horsepower in an MX-5, right? You're so close to the ground. Put 400 brake horsepower in this, it feels like you're flipping, doing a 0 to 60 in the Eiffel Tower. The mad thing is, it actually puts it down. If I did that in my BMW M240i, we'd be facing the wrong way in a bush. I've just never had a practical car in my life, you know? This car is just so much more practical than all the cars I've ever owned. All the cars I've owned, right, they're too low to get into car parks. They're all rear-wheel drive, or really underpowered front-wheel drive cars. They've all got 2 doors. This actually has 4 doors for flip's sake. The Quattro system, literally, you don't even have to fear nothing, mate. I feel like Zeus. I feel like flipping Zeus with this. Like, literally, I could put my foot down on this corner and not slip out. I'm not going to, of course. I probably would die. But yeah, the Quattro system, I bet you could. Full throttle around a corner. Listen to that sound, you know. And it's actually nice, because this doesn't have, from what I know, it doesn't have pops and bangs. It doesn't sound like mine, like a childish car. It sounds very reserved, but at the same time, when you want to, have that little kick, you know? You know what I'm saying? I'm just plodding along. I'm a flipping, oh, look at that. You see that hand movement? I was just like, whoop, whoop, whoop. It's like I was playing Cooking Mama, you know? Tip-tapping the, I was making the burgers, you know? Bruv, I'm taller than this Nissan Qashqai. Do you know how mad that is? I can see the roof. What? Like, honestly, this whole video is just literally me getting excited about driving an SUV for once. It's a different story. My Mazda MX-5 would literally, I wouldn't even be able to see it past the door card. I don't know which side the fucking fuel cap's on. Which side is the fuel cap on? That's hilarious. People, oh my, I'm so tall. Oh my God, I can actually access the back through the door. You know how mad that is?
Now, you guys could be feeling the same excitement as me whipping this RSQ3 about. However, for this time, it could be yours for real. All you got to do is click the link in the description to Planet of Dreams, sign up, and get your free entry today. It takes no longer than the time it took me to fill this car up.
There we go. Yes, receipt required. So the tax man doesn't take my money. Oh, nice indicator, your bell end. Oh, he had his window open. He had his window open. But look, you don't even have to worry about scraping on splitters because just drive over them. That's just so crazy. It's a different world, honestly, these cars. Oh yeah, that's it. Wow. Oh, that's weird. That is mind tripping. That power in an SUV. Oh, blood. Oh. Just like that, speed limit. No blur in here, mate. No blur in here. Oh, it's more than enough power. Bruv, your baby would be pinned to their baby seat. It's like the phone test, but with a baby. You know, when you put the phone there and you keep the phone there. Wow, that is. Maybe I'm getting a bit older now, but cars like this definitely seem a lot more practical and maybe even appealing to me, you know, because, you know, you got the safety of it being an SUV. We don't really care about safety, I'm just saying that to be mature. To be fair, when you're driving like a Mazda MX-5, right, if a van comes up to you, boom, you're dead. At least with this car, right, if a van comes up to you, you'll put a fair fight. It'll be like Robot Warriors, that show. Bruv, you'll be fighting against each other. At least you got a fair chance. Oh, the way that thing moves! I'm not a fan of these steering wheels though. They look like they've got an illness. You know when they got loads of holes in your skin, right? That kind of illness. It literally looks like that. To be fair, this isn't even a car that you actually want to drive extremely quickly. It's kind of like it's just comfy, that's it. Like, it's just genuinely quite a comfy car. Look, this is the one time I've actually been in a comfy car. All the cars I've been in, lowering springs, pops and bangs, your ears are ringing after. But this is just absolutely lovely. I think I'll be so happy with it. It's just, this is a bit of me, you know, like. Right, so that is actually the Audi RSQ3 all driven. Oh, honestly, that car is an absolute savage. It's just an all-round, literal perfect car. It's madness. Oh, and you know what? It doesn't look half bad. Look how good that car looks. Maybe I've just stanced it nicely, but that looks really, really good. The black pack that they've done on it, glossed black everything. Yeah, that is absolutely 10 out of 10. Oh, mate, and the back of it, oof.
That is making my tongue go funny. Yeah, that is absolutely saucy. It sits so high up. It is, oh, it's just a boss car, isn't it? Literally, this is the kind of car, this is the daddy whip. If you're a bit kinky and you want to be called daddy, right, buy this car, mate, because I'll start calling you if not. If your missus don't, I will. Yeah, and the fact that this is kind of the first car that I can actually put my foot down in and not spin out is mental to me. And it's an SUV as well. The fact that I could go around track and dust my BMW M240i in this car, it's just mind-boggling. Like, how does that even work? How can an SUV dust my low BMW M240? It just doesn't make sense, but listen, Audi made it happen. Oh mate, it's growing on me a lot. After driving it, I think I'm falling in love a little bit. But yeah, guys, if you want the chance to win this car for free, literally all you have to do is take 3 minutes to head over to the link in the description to Planet of Dreams, sign up and claim your free entry. And of course, make sure you subscribe to Calvin Car Diaries because he's the lovely man giving these cars away. If you're not claiming that free entry, you will literally never have the chance to win. So I think that this car is so much more practical for UK roads. It's so much taller than all of these sports cars. So you won't have a risk of scratching your splitter or taking your bumper off with you. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see your faces in my next video.